Ethereum value equivalent to $2079 a coin. The present reach. $2,067, $2,092. The earlier day close. $2,082. The change was 0.14%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $1,816. Most extreme cost $2,357, least cost $1,778. The normal for the month $2,020. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,128, change for November 17.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. To start with cost at $21.28. Greatest cost $2,558, least cost $1,908. The normal for the month $2,194. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,182, change for December 2.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $21.82. Greatest cost $2,537, least cost $2,182. The normal for the month $2,318. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,371, change for January 8.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Before all else cost at $23.71. Most extreme cost $2,575, least cost $2,239. The normal for the month $2,398. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,407, change for February 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $24.07. Most extreme cost $2,407, least cost $1,985. The normal for the month $2,233. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,134, change for spring 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place cost at $21.34. Greatest cost $2,192, least cost $1,906. The normal for the month $2,070. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,049, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $2049. Greatest cost $2,262, least cost $1,966. The normal for the month $2,098. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,114, change for May 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $21.14. Greatest cost $2,266, least cost $1,970. The normal for the month $2,117. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,118, change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $21.18. Greatest cost $2,326, least cost $2,022. The normal for the month $2,160. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,174, change for July 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $21.74. Most extreme cost $2,647, least cost $2,174. The normal for the month $2,367. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,474, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $24.74. Most extreme cost $2,677, least cost $2,327. The normal for the month $2,495. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,502, change for September 1.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. In the first place cost at $25.02. Greatest cost $3,105, least cost $2,502. The normal for the month $2,753. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,902, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at $29.02. Greatest cost $2,902, least cost $2,497. The normal for the month $2,747. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,685, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $13.49. Most extreme cost $1,675, least cost $1,349. The normal for the month $1,485. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,565, change for January 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $15.65. Greatest cost $1,565, least cost $1,271. The normal for the month $1,442. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,367, change for February 12.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $13.67. Greatest cost $1,697, least cost $1,367. The normal for the month $1,504. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,586, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with cost at $15.86. Greatest cost $1,885, least cost $1,586. The normal for the month $1,705. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,762, change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $17.62. Greatest cost $1,762, least cost $1,377. The normal for the month $1,596. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,481, change for May 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else cost at $14.81. Most extreme cost $1,545, least cost $1,343. The normal for the month $1,453. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,000.